Hi, Violas and Cellos. Okay, we're going to play through some exercises in the PDF of music that I gave you. We're going to do number 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm going to have a metronome clicking in the background that's going to give us the beat that we want to play along to, and I want you to play along with me in the videos. You might need to pause in between the songs, practice them a few times, and then play them with me again. What I want you to do is, I don't want you to move on to the next song until you've gotten the one that we just played down. So it might take you a couple times to make sure that you get the tempo and the notes right. That's okay. I expect that. So do that a couple times and then move on to the next song. Although some of you might fly through and just get them right the first time. Who knows? So we are playing all of the songs on 6 through 9 only have 2 strings, the D string and the A string. So remember, if you start with the thickest one, cats give dogs allergies. So D's right here, A's right here. Remember when we play pizzicato, we're going to put our thumb here on the fingerboard, and you're going to take your first finger and you're just going to pluck the strings like this. Okay, so we're going to start with jumping jacks number 6. So let me turn on the metronome. Okay, here we go. Find the D string. Make sure you're sitting right with your instrument. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Notice that there is a double bar line at the end of this exercise, and that just means that you've reached the end of a piece of music. So whenever you see a double bar line in a piece of music, you know that you are at the end. Very good. Let's move on. Now we're going to play number 7, mix them up. Turn on my metronome. Okay, get situated, find the D string. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Notice that double bar line again at the end of the piece of music. Okay, now we're going to move on and we're going to play number 8. Count carefully. Scan all the way to the end of the piece of music, and notice this time instead of a double bar line, there's a repeat sign. So the repeat sign looks like the double bar line except for there's 2 little dots in front of it. And a repeat sign just means that once you get to the end, you're going to go back to the beginning and play it again. Okay? So when we do number 8 this time, when you get to the last measure, remember, we're not going to stop. We're going to go back to the beginning and play it another time. Okay, get my metronome going. Here we go, number 8. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. And repeat. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. I hope that you got the repeat down. If not, feel free to pause the video and try that on your own and then do it again with me. And when you're ready to move on, let's do number 9, Essential Elements Quiz. If you scan to the end, you'll notice there's a repeat sign in this piece of music as well, so we're going to play it 2 times through. And it says to write in the counting before you play, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to play it. Number 9. Here we go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, 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 and repeat. Rest, 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 rest. All right. I will see see you again on Wednesday in the afternoon. We have a synchronous class on Zoom, so we'll play through some of these together and I'll make sure you're doing them right. And then the next thing we're going to learn is how to add the left hand onto the fingerboard. So we're going to start learning these notes. Okay, all right, have a great day.